SEBI review on agenda. Parliamentary watchdog likely to summon Madhabi Bach. Namaskar and welcome. I am Parul Kasaudan and you are watching IIMT News. The Public Accounts Committee (PAC), the parliamentary watchdog for government spending, has decided to include in its agenda for the year a review of the performance of the Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI), whose chairperson Madhabi Puri Bach is at the center of a political firestorm following allegations leveled against her by US-based Hindenburg Research. Sources said the parliamentary panel, which has notified its agenda, is likely to summon the current SEBI chief during the review process. The PAC, headed by Congress senior leader K.C. Venugopal, took the unusual step to include a suo motu subject, performance review of regulatory bodies established by Act of Parliament, at its last meeting on August 29. The agenda for the year was notified earlier this week. This comes amid the growing opposition chorus for a parliamentary probe into Hindenburg Research allegation that Bach and her husband Dhaval Bach had stake in obscure offshore entities used in Adani money chiffoning scandal. In response to the allegations made by Hindenburg, a joint statement by Bach and her husband said that the investigation in the fund referred to in the Hindenburg report was made in 2015 when they were both private citizens living in Singapore and almost 2 years before Madhabi joined SEBI, even as a whole-time member, but became a whole-time member in SEBI in 2017 and its chairperson in March 2022. SEBI has strong institutional mechanisms of disclosure and recusal norms as per the code of conduct applicable to its officers. Accordingly, all disclosures and recusals have been diligently followed, including disclosures of all securities held or subsequently transferred. The joint statement stated, the Adani Group denied the allegations made by Hindenburg and called them malicious, mischievous and manipulative. Adani Group has absolutely no commercial relationship with the individuals or matters mentioned in this calculated deliberate efforts to malign our standing. We remain steadfastly committed to transparency and compliance with all legal and regulatory requirements, the Adani Group said in this statement. The Congress held a nationwide protest last month over the Hindenburg report and sought the removal of Bach from the post of SEBI chairperson. Sources said the PAC, which is expected to meet 2 or 3 times this month, may summon the SEBI chief in September itself. Its next meeting is scheduled for September 10 and the agenda listed is briefing by audit followed by oral evidence of the representatives of Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation, on the subject performance audit on National Rural Drinking Water Program, Jal Jeevan Mission, based on C&AG report number 15 of 2018. Sources said with a number of its members suggesting to take up subjects other than the pending ones before it. The committee chairman has agreed to include performance review of regulatory bodies established by Act of Parliament and a review on levy and regulation of fees, tariffs, user charges, etc. on public infrastructure and other public utilities, suo motu. According to the notifications, the 22-member PAC has 15 MPs from Lok Sabha and 7 from Rajya Sabha. Other than Venugopal, it has senior BJP leader Ravi Shankar Prasad, Nishikant Dubey, K. Lakshman, Anurag Thakur, Jagdambika Pal and Sudhanshu Trivedi as its member. Former Union Minister T.R. Balu, T. Shiva, Shakti Singh Gohil, Amar Singh and Jay Prakash, CM Ramesh, Aparajita Sarangi, Ashok Chavan, Tejasvi Surya, TMC leader Saugat Roy and Sukhendu Shekhar Rai, Dharmendra Yadav, Magunta Srinivasulu Reddy, V. Balachauri, Praful Patel are also its member. The PAC, one of the most significant parliamentary panel that audit the revenue and expenditure of the government, usually make a selection of audit paragraphs included in the various report of CAG for in-depth examination In addition, the committee can also select one or more suo motu subjects for in-depth examination during the year. After holding deliberations and taking note of the time available at the disposal of panel, the committee select the most important subject paragraphs on which oral examination is to be conducted. That's all for today. For more updates on national and international importance, stay connected with us at IIMT News.